read. Sis Ashley, in the Philippines, if if a people poor, they are lack of reading. They don't have books to read. You know, they love comics, 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 novel. You know, like that, because the parents, they did not tell them or teach them that there's a Bible to read. You know, so this is just the beginning for them. The way I'm going there to reach out for them. First time for them to know that we need to read the Bible instead of comics and novel comics, you know, like that. So reading the for now, I'm teaching them the category of the the salvation chart, and then the category, and then put the words of the that verses, put the words where to belong, if that is positional, experiential, or ultimate. I let them put there. So that's the next season. I already starting that to them, but I post now because of this boat. I post. I will resume the Bible study after this boat.